Next video. In today's video I will show you how to zoom in zoom out image view inside your React Native application with the new architecture. So first of all you will have to enable the new architecture. So for iOS you will have to run this command inside terminal, and for Android you will have to search for new arc enabled inside gradle.properties. So if I just search for new arc enabled, it should be present inside gradle.properties. And yeah, so you will have to make this as true. Next what you have to do is first of all go to the Android folder, go to app, go to your build.gradle, make sure Kotlin version is 1.8.0, as well as you add this class path. Next go to app, build.gradle, and you will have to add this implementation of Kotlin standard lib, as well as apply plugin Kotlin Android. And here as well you will have to add this compile option and Kotlin options inside the Android block. Next go to src main. Okay, I think that should be it for Android. Then you will have to create a folder called rtn my image view. Inside that create an Android folder, create an build.gradle file, and I have copy pasted this from the docs. The only thing change is this apply plugin of Kotlin Android, as well as I have added this compile option and Kotlin options, and this implementation of Kotlin standard lib. And this is the library which will help us to zoom in zoom out image view for native Android application. So yeah, you will have to include this as well. Next created a folder called src main, and inside java rtn my image view. And here I will first of all create my image view, and which extends from the touch image view, and I have set an image resource of r.royable.lake, and this image is actually present inside my res folder. So res royable lake.jpg, you can take any image if you want to. And again next is the my image view manager. Like this has been copied from docs, only thing change is this naming. So I have just changed it over here, and this name has been changed, as well as this name has been changed. Next I have created a package file as well. Again this has been copied from docs, and only the name has been changed. So yeah, that's it. Next you have to create a JS folder. Again this has been copied from docs, only this name has been changed. And I have created a package.json file. Again this has been copied from docs, only this name has been changed. This has been changed, and this has been changed. Then I have created a podspec file, again copy pasted it from docs, and this name has been changed. Next you have to go to your main, open your terminal inside, open your project inside terminal, and from the root of your project you will first have to run this command. Once you do that, you will have to do cd ... it will move you outside your React Native project, and then you will have to run this command, and this should be your folder name, project name, and followed by this is the folder name which we have created. Next you will have to so we are following Fabric native models, right? So first of all cd to your Android directory, main Android directory, and then run this. Once you do that, you will have to cd to your iOS directory and then run this. So this will do code generation for your project. Next so for iOS you will have to first of all create an image header file, header file. Again this has been copied from docs, only this name has been changed. Next you will have to create an Objective C++ file. Make sure the extension is .mm. And here what we are doing is, first of all, again this has been copied from docs, only this names has been changed accordingly. And this should be your bridging header name. Now to create a bridging header, you will have to create this Swift file, and as soon as you create a Swift file, Xcode will have to, you want to create a bridging header, click yes. So mine is rnapp, that's why I have written rnapp, but you have to change it whatever your name is. And this is for importing, for writing the code inside the main iOS folder, that's why I have commented out this. Next this has been copied from docs, entire thing, and as this as well. And here we are initializing our view, and I'm setting it as 200 by 200, but you can change it to however you want. And here we are initializing our Swift file as well. and adding it as a sub view. And yeah, this again has been copied from docs, only this name has been changed accordingly. Next, I have created a view manager. Again, this is an object to C++ file, and this name should be changed accordingly. Next, I have created a Swift file, and I have imported from UI kit. I have created a UI view and UI image view. I have created an image view and added it as a sub view, and done some NS layout constraints, and I have also added this lake image inside the assets. So you will have to add some image inside your assets as well, and then use that uh, and use that name. Then I have created enable zoom. So this is the extension for enabling the zoom. Okay, before I will show you exactly. So this is the output for Android. Okay, and this is for iOS. I can zoom in and zoom out as well, and I will tell you where exactly you need to add the image. So here image.exe assets, here you can see I have added this image, but I think it's better to add it from Xcode. Don't risk it by adding it from the file explorer. So I think that should be it. And inside app.tsx you can import your file like this and use it like this, and I will show you how exactly I have added the image inside Xcode. So go to images, and here you can add your image. So yeah, I think that should be it. Thank you.